Yasin, which was introduced last March and developed domestically by Iran, successfully made its first flight. In the post made by Iran Defense, flight images of the aircraft in question were included. The final version of the Yasin training aircraft was introduced at a ceremony in March 2023. In this context, it was also stated that the production of the aircraft had started. The aircraft was designed as a training aircraft by experts from Iran Aviation Industries and the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force. The new version of Yasin has different features compared to the first prototype introduced in October 2019. In this context, according to the news by Islam Times, the plane has a domestic ejection seat, avionics, engine and landing gear. It is claimed that the aircraft, which is 12 meters long and 4 meters high, weighs 4.3 tons unloaded under operational takeoff conditions. According to the article published by Global Security, the tail structure eliminates the pilot's restrictions on various maneuvers. The cockpit is designed in a tandem and non-flat layout to provide a comfortable and wide field of view for the student pilot in the front cabin and the instructor pilot in the rear cabin. It is claimed that the runway required for the plane's landing is only 700 meters. Iranian aviation industry president Amir Karim Bani Tarafi said in an interview with Iranian state television that the Iranian Air Force is also examining the possibility of using Yasin for close air support missions. Tarafi said, "Currently, the aircraft only has a training function, but it can be completed in the future and equipped with bombs and missiles and used as a CAS aircraft." The Air Force may need 48 to 64 aircraft in total. Simurgh transport aircraft, developed by the experts of the Air Industry Organization of the Ministry of National Defense of Iran, passed the flight test. According to the news of the Iranian government's semi-official news agency Fars News, the images of the new flight test of the Simurgh transport plane, which is developed locally by Iran, have been published. The flight test was carried out at Iran Aircraft Industries Company, HESA, facilities located near Isfahan, Iran. Simurgh, which was introduced to the press in 2022, was again subjected to trial tests after a long break from its introduction. Iranian Minister of National Defense, Defense Minister Amir Mohammadreza Ashtiani, made the following statements after the flight test. Today coincides with the auspicious days of the Decade of Dignity and the blessed birth of Imam Reza. In line with increasing the defense authority, the flight test of the Simurgh transport aircraft carried out by the experts of the Air Organization of the Ministry of National Defense has been successfully completed. Iranian Brigadier General Amir Ashtiani made the following statements. This aircraft is equivalent to the design and development of aircraft of its generation, which fully fits the needs of the country and military units. The propulsion system, components and body were designed, manufactured and built at the Ministry of National Defense based on the labor and knowledge of the youth of this region, in accordance with the international standards and regulations, taking into account the weather conditions of the country. The production capacity of the new generation aircraft is available in the country, and in recent years, all ground and flight tests and propulsion system of the Simurgh transport aircraft have been reviewed and carried out by experts.
يا ابو على المطار اقسم بالله يا ابو مختارهن يا ابو المطار المطار راح يا ولاد راح المطار راح المطار مغطيم راح يا الله
ضبطوا
يا عفو الله يا الله يا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر اللهم سدد اللهم سدد اللهم سدد اللهم سدد اللهم سدد اللهم سدد اللهم سدد
ضبطوا ضبطوا
נפילות אחי, נפילות של החיים בנבטים נפילות בנבטים אחי נפילות קשות בנבטים, שומע? וואו 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 הכל נופל לנבטים, אני אומר לך מתקפה אחת החזקות אימא'לה, זהו, למקלט
الصواريخ الإيرانية تطلب قاعدة في جنوب فلسطين. في جنوب فلسطين الصواريخ الاعتراضية ما تلحق من كثرة الصواريخ.
الله أكبر والله كل النسبة لبيك يا نصر الله راح مطار نفتيم راح الجم
جاهلیت مدرن امروز همون جاهلیت قدیم است با اسمهای مختلف. فرق جاهلیت مدرن آن است که امروز علم و فناوری را دارد، قدرت رسانه را دارد، قدرت، پول و بسیاری از امکانات رو به کار گرفته است تا پیام جاهلی خودش رو در عالم تبلیغ کنه، زشت‌ترین اخلاق را به عنوان شاخص تمدن در جهان معرفی کنه و اگر می‌خواهد کشوری را متمدن معرفی کنه با یک شاخص اخلاقی بسیار پست و زشت معرفی میکنه، همجنس بازی.